You want to create points around here, but it's actually not as easy as you would think. So, okay, let's just freeze this. First, check that your subdivision is okay before freezing it, so you get the resolution that you want. Okay, and let's just copy this to another layer, and let's copy this one to another layer. Whoops. That's how it is to work blindly. Okay. So I got this. Now I can intersect, but it creates this bad edge. So that's not what we want. So let's undo, and let's subdivide. That's cheating, but it works. Let's do this over again, and we got something like that. Alright, I could have subdivided even more, but for this example it doesn't really matter. Now what I want to do now is I want to select this loop. No, there's no way to do that. 0 doesn't work. Okay, let's try to cut it, put it in another layer, merge, doesn't merge anything, loop. The loop looks just weird. And why is that? Well, because we got, well, this weird stuff going on, really. It shouldn't be like that, but it is. So, is there any way to fix that? Well, yeah, you can select the 1-point polygons, which are the ones you want. And then say merge automatic, but that doesn't work. Fixed and 1 millimeter, and make sure those are selected and say OK, and now I got 59 points merged, and now you should be able to loop this. Okay, so there you go. And alright, and same goes for this one. Get rid of these 1-point polys or 2-point polys. So let's merge that again. Fixed 1 millimeter. Okay. Now we should be able to loop this. And yep, there we go. Now you can do whatever you want to do. So just be aware of that when you want to make those points around that edge, that it will create some, well, some points or polys that you don't want. So you need to clean it up.